Welcome to the installation of Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper delete for Jeep's 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's bumper according to the manufacturer's instructions, while retaining the OEM frame hardware. We've included our own how-to in the comments below. Step 2. Place the delete over the frame while ensuring the holes line up on the right and left frame rails. Step 3. Secure the delete to the frame using the OEM hardware with a 16mm and 18mm sockets. Optional Step 4. Our rear bumper delete features openings for our D-ring frame mounts. We've included a link to their installation instructions in the comments below. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road rear bumper delete.